All right, let's be honest for a second. We all have this problem, right? The just absolute chaos of our digital lives. Well, today we're diving into a tool called InfoJunkie, and its whole mission is to help you finally tame that digital world.
I mean, come on, does this look familiar? I know my browser looks like this half the time. That window is just groaning under the weight of, 50 tabs? All these articles, videos, little bits of research, and you promise yourself, oh yeah, I'll get back to that. It's like the biggest lie we tell ourselves in the digital age, isn't it?
And that's really the heart of it, right? We are absolutely living in an era of information overload. It feels like we're swimming, and honestly, most days it feels like we're drowning in this endless sea of information. The problem isn't finding cool stuff anymore. It's about what you do next. How do you capture it, organize it, and here's the key, actually use it?
Okay, so here's the game plan for today. We'll start with that feeling of drowning in information. Then we'll look at how to capture and organize everything. After that, we'll get into the really cool stuff, the AI-powered assistant, then the personal thought space, and finally, how you can get insights and share all that knowledge you've gathered.
All right, first up, drowning in information. We're going from digital chaos to what some people call a second brain. Now, what's that? Think of it like a trusted sidekick for your mind, a place where you can offload all the stuff you've learned so your actual brain has the freedom to do what it does best. Think, create, and connect the dots.
So where do we even begin? Well, the foundation of all this is about capturing and organizing everything. We're talking about building your very own personal digital library. And look, this isn't just another messy junk drawer of bookmarks. It's a structured, curated, beautiful home for everything you find important. And the best part? The process is so simple. It all starts with a single click to save something from your browser. Instantly, and this is where the magic happens, the AI jumps in and automatically adds a clean title, a good description, even keywords. Then, all you gotta do is pop it into a collection or add a tag. That's it. One-click save, AI enriches it, and you organize it. Done. And when it comes to organizing, you have total control. You can create as many color-coded collections as you want. You can drag and drop things to your heart's content. Oh, and here's a great feature. You can put one article into multiple collections, so you don't have to choose. Plus, the AI even suggests tags for you, which makes finding stuff later like 1,000 times faster. Okay, but let's be real. Organizing is just table stakes. This next part is where InfoJunkie goes from nice to have to how did I live without this? This is not just a bookmark manager. It's your AI-powered assistant, and it's designed to do so much more. First up, AI summarization. Just picture this. You find a huge 20-page article or report. You save it, and literally seconds later, bam, you have a perfect, concise summary with all the key takeaways right there. This one feature is an absolute game changer for how quickly you can absorb information. Next up, social post generation. It doesn't just help you learn, it helps you share what you've learned. With one click, you can turn any article into a ready-to-go post for X, for LinkedIn, whatever. The AI takes care of all the annoying stuff like formatting and character limits. It basically turns you from just a reader into someone who's actively sharing great stuff with your audience. And this one might be my favorite, idea generation. You can actually take any piece of content you've saved and ask the AI to brainstorm with you. Ask it for startup ideas, for ways to apply this at work, for a different angle on the topic. It's like having a creative partner on call 24/7, ready to spark new ideas from the things you're already interested in. So as you can see, you're not just getting one little feature, you're getting a whole toolkit. You've got summarization to get smart, fast, social posts to share what you know, idea generation to get creative, and even recommendations to find the next great thing. It's the whole shebang. Okay, so we've captured all this great stuff. We've used AI to understand it better, but what about your ideas? Where did they fit into all this? Well, that brings us to the personal thought space. This is where your ideas are born. And this quote just hits the nail on the head, doesn't it? Saving isn't the same as understanding. You could have 10,000 bookmarks, but if you're not engaging with them, what's the point? Real knowledge, real understanding, that comes from wrestling with the ideas and connecting them to what you already know. Just look at the difference here. On the left, that's the old way, right? Your notes are all over the place, totally disconnected from what you read. It's passive. But on the right, in the thought space, everything is structured. Your thoughts are linked directly back to the articles that sparked them. And most importantly, it's designed to be actionable. So here's how it actually works. You've got this great, rich text editor to capture your thoughts. The real magic, though, is that you can link your bookmarks right into your notes for context. You can come back to an idea weeks later and add more to it, letting it grow. And I love this. You can flag a thought as a next action, turning it from an idea into a to-do. It'll even use AI to give you feedback on your own writing. How cool is that? Okay, so we've captured, we've organized, and we've started connecting our own ideas. The last piece of the puzzle is all about insights and sharing your knowledge. This is the part that truly takes you from being just a consumer of information to a creator. You get this amazing analytics dashboard that's like a bird's eye view of what's on your mind. So this chart, for instance, might show you, hey, you've saved 82 things for Project X, but you've also saved 55 things about side hustles. Seeing that data laid out so clearly helps you understand where your curiosity is really taking you. And to keep that momentum going, there's a bit of a motivation system built in. I mean, look at that, a 127-day streak. Seeing a number like that is a surprisingly powerful push to keep going. It kind of gamifies the whole process of learning and helps you build that consistent habit of saving what matters. And finally, once you've built these amazing collections, you can share them with the world with just a single public link. Think about it. You could send a coworker a perfectly organized swipe file for a new project, or you could share your knowledge with your followers. It really empowers you to become a go-to resource for other people. So yeah, that's InfoJunkie in a nutshell. The whole system is really built around this one simple, powerful idea: your knowledge organized and amplified. It's all about taking that digital chaos we all feel and turning it into your single greatest asset. So that really just leaves us with one final thought. I mean, all the information, all the inspiration you could ever possibly need, it's already out there. The real question is, once you have the right tools to bring it all together, what great idea is hiding in your world, just waiting for you to connect the dots?